can you give us an example of a particular company that would be using enterprise AI?
And so you can actually put a sensor at the well site to measure the activity or maybe measure the performance of the instrument. And you can create predictive maintenance algorithms that allow you to figure out, okay, when is this specific part then a fault? And when do I need to order that part to replace it? Because if that oil rig is down for a day, I'm not getting oil out of the ground, and that's costing me money. You know, in the healthcare side, there's tons of interesting use cases. One of them that I thought of, or that actually a friend brought to me, was around the billing side. And so right now you've got payers like insurance providers or Medicare or Medicaid. You've also got the hospital systems, and you've got the doctors, and you've got the patients, all these different players that are involved in one, let's say, surgery. And that surgery has codes assigned to how you perform the surgery, so that if you have to make a cut in one place, that's vertical versus horizontal, or maybe it's to the left of, you know, this nerve versus that nerve. There's so many different codes for every single type of procedure that's out there. And the way you code it affects how you get billed. And so companies are interested in how can they make sure that they're coding things in the correct way to maximize how they're, or making sure that they're correctly billing for the right codes that these insurance companies have set up.